Pavel's t-shirt monitors his heart rate and energy output and sends this data to the cloud, helping Pavel improve his fitness routine. The thermostat in Khaled's apartment learns his behavior and adjusts the apartment's temperature based on his living patterns, lowering Khaled's energy bill. Monique's smartphone knows when her plane lands and automatically contacts her hotel and checks her in. Monique can then go straight to her room and use her smartphone as the key to enter the room. These are examples of the Internet of Things, IoT, in action. IoT-enabled devices are consumer-scale devices, inanimate objects embedded with sensors and communication capabilities that provide benefits and convenience to individual consumers. The Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, also utilizes inanimate objects with embedded sensors and communication capabilities. However, IIoT devices are industry-scale cyber-physical assets that keep critical business infrastructure running smoothly. One example is an offshore oil rig that senses a crack in a support strut and dispatches a welding drone for repairs without human interaction. IIoT-enabled smart assets provide many benefits, including improvements to operational efficiency, safety, productivity, monitoring and control, reliability, performance diagnostics, regulatory compliance, asset uptime and utilization, total cost of ownership, and total value of ownership. IIoT removes humans from many environments and allows machines to act autonomously, reducing risks associated with human injury or human error, system failures, or system downtime. For example, IIoT enabled the oil rig strut repair before it became a catastrophic failure. As with IoT, the real value of IIoT is its data and the knowledge and business insights that can be gleaned from the data. IIoT data helps both the users of the cyber-physical assets and the manufacturers of the assets. For example, a logistics company can monitor its delivery truck fleet's fuel usage and optimize routes to reduce fuel consumption. In addition, the truck manufacturer can monitor all its trucks in the field, across all customers in a variety of operating environments, and then provide proactive, over-the-air software updates that dynamically improve fuel consumption. It can also continuously monitor the exact position of each vehicle and send automatic notifications to the driver and supervisor should they deviate from their approved route or service area, thereby eliminating waste. IIoT creates opportunities for asset users and manufacturers to find and unlock growth opportunities and increase revenue using new business models. For example, the truck manufacturer has an opportunity to shift from strictly manufacturing and delivering vehicles to attaching services such as fleet optimization to its portfolio. Instead of purchasing a set number of vehicles, the asset user might subscribe to a fleet where the type of vehicle provided is based on need, thereby improving asset utilization. A traditionally transactional sale can now become a physical asset sale with recurring service revenue, all because of the insights provided by the data generated from network-connected physical assets. Two major challenges associated with IIoT are communication protocols and network security and privacy. To be valuable, IIoT assets must be able to communicate with each other and autonomously take action. For example, the truck manufacturer has thousands of suppliers, each providing various parts and materials. If the suppliers use the same communication protocols, the parts and materials can communicate with each other and provide usable data to the manufacturer. If the suppliers use incompatible communication protocols, it becomes cost-prohibitive for the manufacturer to build software and networking systems that can communicate with all of the components. As with any Internet-connected device, network security and privacy are critical for IIoT assets. While it can be frustrating to have your phone or computer hacked, the impact to a country's economy could be devastating if entire IIoT-enabled energy grids or supply chains are compromised. IIoT is reshaping the industrial landscape and ushering in the next era of industrial innovation, one in which cyber-physical assets sense their world and report what they sense, both to each other and the humans who depend on them, and take action independently. By applying business intelligence and business analytics to the flood of data generated, business leaders can gain insights into their operations, allowing access to new markets, enhancing competitive advantage, and creating value for their stakeholders.